So today is May 3rd and I'm just taking my pooch to the dog park. Yeah, that's all I have to say. He knows where he is. He's freaking out. We're not even like quite there yet, but he knows. He knows. Unfortunately, there's nobody at the dog park right now, but he gets to at least sniff around and smell all the dog smells. I mean, it's a beautiful day. Why aren't more people at the dog park? Probably because they have work and shit, and I need a fucking job. Maybe I'll find a stick or something to throw for him. Unfortunately, it's all muddy and shit still, but I guess it's springtime, that's what you fucking get. Woo! Riley's all upset. He's just like, I smell the dogs, but I don't see the dogs. Riley! He's so not interested in the stick right now. It was an idea while I had it. Oh, here comes the dog peeing like a girl. Now walking in the puddle. Straight through the puddle. Doesn't give a flying fuck about me. He had a bath a few days ago. It just sucks there's no other dogs here. Is he gonna shit now? Do your stinky poop. Oh, no, I guess not. The good thing about him being alone at the dog park is that he still gets exercise. Crazy pooch. Is that right? He gets some exercise at least, even though he won't participate in fetch with me at all. But he gets to smell the dogs and he gets some exercise. Obviously this is a lot bigger than, I'm tearing up right now, can you see this? I'm not crying, I'm just, my eye is watering. I'm so emotional. Oh, he's gonna take a dump. And there's his dump. Now I get to pick that up. Whoops. Somebody left their coffee. So I have no idea where his leash went, by the way. When I was running